How to make a logo in Canva. In this video, I will show you how to make a logo in Canva. The first step is to open the Canva website or mobile application, just as you can see here. After that, proceed and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen here. This will bring up several suggestions for the dimensions of the logo. You can use any of the ones appearing here, but I will create my dimensions since I want to create a YouTube channel logo. So go ahead and tap here, Custom Size. After that, you have to enter the dimensions for the heights and widths of the logo just like I'm doing. I will use 500 by 500 because this is what YouTube recommends for a logo. After that, proceed and tap here, Create Design. Give Canva time as your canvas is being prepared. As you can see, the canvas page is ready, and this is where we are going to design our logo. The next step is to add the materials you will use to create the logo. To do that, tap on this icon here with the plus symbol just like I'm doing. After that, you will see this page appearing where you can get materials for your logo. If you want to upload them from the device, then scroll through this menu and look for an option named Upload, and then you can go ahead and upload them from there. For this case, I will use a pre-made template by Canva, and this will make my work easier. To do that, tap on this option here named Design, and you will see a whole page that has different designs and templates that are waiting to be used. Go to the search bar and type the name of the specific logo you would like to create. Since I want to create a gaming YouTube channel logo, I will go ahead and type in the search and then tap on Search. As you can see, these are all different templates for gaming channel logos. I will use a template. All I have to do is to tap on it, and it will be loaded to the canvas just like you can see from here. The next step is to edit the logo to your preference. You can do things like duplicating some parts of the logo just like I'm doing here. You can also resize the logo by pulling on the rectangle that appears beside it just like I'm doing until you get the size you are looking for. It is not a must, but this is how I want my logo to look. After that, you can also edit the text by tapping on it until it gets highlighted just like you can see here. After that, go ahead and type the text you need. Finally, you can also change the color of the text by tapping on this icon here, but first, make sure the text is highlighted. After that, tap on this icon and you will be able to choose the font color you need. Finally, when you are done editing the logo, tap on this icon here and your logo will be downloaded to your gallery, and that is how to make a logo in Canva.